Hello everyone, my name is Abubaker, and in this presentation we are going to demonstrate the different types of output commands in xDGL. So let me try with the table employees here. It's just make a small number of data generated, and I'm gonna use, instead of print CSV, I'm gonna use the print SQL. I'm gonna give it the employees table. I need only 5. I need the insert fields to appear, yes. So let me just comment the first command and run, and you're gonna see the insert commands working properly. Insert into employees, and then it displays the fields because I said yes, true, let the fields appear before the values phrase. So the number is not going to be commented, and only the alphabet fields which are going to be commented in a comma. So if I say false, don't list the fields, you will see like it will be inserted into employees and then values, and then immediately the values. So you can take this insert statements and just run it against any database management system you'd like. We have also the print JSON. JSON is the JavaScript object notation, which is now widely used in the internet, and especially in the web services, the RESTful style of web services. So if I just have chosen the print JSON, you will see I have the JSON format for my generated records, and it is working properly. I can also use the print the print XML command, and it will also change the output format to XML. It's very easy, and also it will make the encoding UTF, because for sure it may contain language that other than English language that needs really the UTF-8 to be supported. So we have print CSV, we have print XML, print JSON, and print SQL. So let us now try the writing commands, like write write SQL, and I'm gonna give it the table and the number of records I need, and whether I want the fields to be listed or not. But if you want to use the writing commands, because write, it generates a table, you should use a segment here in the settings that is in the top, of course. That is let me try to define it here. Format or profile. No, it's supposed to be the third one after the pairing XML. Div, yeah, and it is the output. So the output is the path of the folder or directory you want all the write commands to be working on. All the write commands generated files is going to be saved in this folder, and let me just choose the same folder here, and I think I have created a directory for this purpose. It's called outdir. So it's now empty, of course, out directory. So I'm gonna call it out directory. Okay, this is the output. So in the setting, you realize that the first command is supposed to be the data XML if it is there, and then the pairing, and then the output, and then a lot of format and profiles. Profiles, we will need them when we come to the to making direct database connection, and then whether we want to pull the tables from the database and the definitions of the fields to put them in the program, or we want to populate the database with our generated with the data that we are generated. So let us now try this command, write 200 SQL to the you notice like here we didn't give the name of the field, sorry, the name of the file, because the name of the file is going to be I guess the name of the program dot the name of the table dot SQL, I think so. Let me just try to run this program. So write SQL command done. Let me go to the folder and I see name of the program dot name of the table and then SQL. So if we just open it, you're gonna see 200 generated data in a format of insert, 200 uh, records. So if I use the same write, but I won't write JSON, JSON of course doesn't require the third parameter, which is I have to list the fields or not. So it's just the name of the table and the number of the records that you want to be generated. So if I run this program, it's going to also done JSON write. So let me go to the folder and see I have here demo pro dot is name of the table dot JSON, and it is JSON file. So if I open that, you'll see like I have a JSON data generation. You can take it and use it whenever you want. Like nowadays you have a lot of programming platforms like Flex, Flash, and Temsing. These platforms uses data in a JSON format, and you have also a lot of rich client platforms using also the JSON format in displaying data and saving data and things like that. Let me try the third and last write, which is I guess write XML. If you don't comment the command, it's going to be generated again, and the file is going to be written again. So let me write XML, yeah, and run it. Write XML done. I have here another XML file. If I open it, you're gonna see I have the generated data in XML format. Of course, mostly the most important files is going to be the SQL, because a lot of people are going to use this generated file in just running it again as their database management system and just populating their tables with data. And so, and we have also another two commands, I guess. They are delete and populate, and we're going to demonstrate that in other video. So thank you very much.